Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 120 of Yakety-Ya straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He reads the questions, he answers the questions, and we read them as well and take the cool, the funny, the weird, and we put them here for you. On this episode, we are cruising with the Yak. This is FFS number 7, live from the Carnival Magic. So today's questions, they want to know if this crafting tool can be brought on the boat. Trivia game cheaters. Cruise cash, can you use it in the casino? Will Shaq's chicken be on every Carnival ship? And why is the full room service menu not on the Hub app?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question 1. This cruiser wanted to know if this tool can be brought on board. It's used to help, shrink up clothes and stuff like that. I don't know why you want to do that on a cruise because my clothes always need to expand. But they wanted to know before they brought it on. John said no, absolutely would not be allowed on board. He appreciates them asking, but it would have been confiscated no matter where it was. That said, there is some seam tapes and other tapes if you need to bring something in. Again, don't know why you would do that on a cruise, but you can bring that on. Question 2. This cruiser wanted to know, what is Carnival going to do about the trivia game cheaters? They love going to trivia, answering the questions, just having a good time. And there's always a moron or a group of morons going, oh, look, I got all 25 questions. And it annoys the hell out of them. John said the Fun Squad does the best they actually can to prevent this. I've never seen it myself, but like John said, who cares? You're there to have a good time. If they're going to go home with that piece of ship on a stick or that medallion and go, oh, I Googled all the answers. Good, enjoy. Enjoy your little stolen treasure. But anyway, this cruiser asked if cruise cash is purchased, can it be used toward the casino on the sail and sign account? John said, yes, indeed it can. Yeah, it's a quick one. I got no really quips for that, except we go to the casino, so is there a discount for cruise cash? I don't know. I like cruise cash and casino. Next question. This cruiser wanted to know if Shaq's chicken will be added to every single ship in the boat because they absolutely love Shaq's chicken. John said, not at this time. He really doesn't think they're going to add it to every ship because that's a lot of retrofitting and stuff they need to do. He did say, keep an eye on it, out for it on the new ships, which means it's probably going to be on all the new ships coming out. Speaking of if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. We would appreciate it. All right, last question. This cruiser asked, why is the full room service menu not available on the Hub app? They understand they get rid of paper door hangers, all this other stuff, but they want to know exactly what you can order from room service. And I agree with them 100%. This room that we're in today has no menu whatsoever. We had to go back to our old pictures to find the menu. And on the delivery, there's 3 or 4 options. Wings, I think it is, and a sandwich. John said he will pass this along to his colleagues, and he's sure they can actually add more. He also said that, remember, there's a QR code in the cabin where you can scan it. And normally he's right. There's one stuck to the wall. We don't have one. So, go back to your old pictures. I think they can do a lot better with the Hub app myself. But anyway, that's been episode 120 of Yakety-Ya, straight from the Yak's mouth. Please take care.